At KONE, we manufacture elevators, escalators, auto walks, and doors. All of these devices are streams of data that we are collecting. In order to process those streams, we need a scalable way of handle the amount of data that is coming in. And that's where Cloud Function fits in perfectly. We handle that data with event-driven architecture. We use functions to persist that data and to generate further events on that data that are then utilized and consumed by applications and our customers and users. In our analytics platform, we analyze the set of data and we generate value, predictive in a sense that we can predict the failure rate to a certain percentage that is about to happen in the future for our equipment. And this allows us to perform predictive maintenance. And this is kind of the whole concept that we have behind our 24/7 connected services, which is a promise to our customers that the equipment is connected to the cloud and we are monitoring it. And that's where we generate the real value for our customers from a maintenance perspective. At the moment, we use almost all aspects of the IBM cloud. We use storage from the cloud, we use Cloud Function, we use messaging services, we use IoT services. So a number of services are already in use in platform, and that use will only grow as our digital footprint in the industry grows.